Let's start. The project name is Recyclerview, Viewtype. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity, a model class, and an adapter class. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of the main activity. A row_image.xml and a row_name.xml file, which define the layout of the Recyclerview. Let's see the UI. Here we have the Recyclerview. The height and width of the Recyclerview match the parent. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. And this is the Recyclerview. In the row_image.xml file, we have an image view and a text view. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the image view. And this is the text view. In the row_name.xml file, we have a text view. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the text view. Let's see the Java code now. This is the model class. First, we have written to constant values, which we will use later. These are the data members of the class, along with the name and image. We also have the type variable for the view type. These are the getter and setter functions. These are the imports. This is my adapter class. These are the data members, which contain an array list of the model class type. This is the constructor. In the onCreateViewHolder function, we inflate the row XML files according to the view type. If the view type to be used is the name type, we inflate the row_name.xml file, and we create its respective view holder object and return it. And if the view type to be used is the image type, we inflate the row_image.xml file, and we create its respective view holder object and return it. In the bindViewHolder function, we check the view type and set the data in the UI accordingly. If the view type is of name type, we set the name in the text view. And if the view type is of image type, we set the name in the text view and the image in the image view. In the getItemCount function, we calculate the total number of rows in the Recyclerview. In the getItemViewType function, we decide which view type to be used and when. This is the view holder class for the name view type. And this is the view holder class for the image view type. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members. Here we have an array list of the model class type. And an array of strings, which we will use to fill the Recyclerview data. In the getData function, we fetch the data from the array, and put it inside the array list, as a Recyclerview needs the data in array list format. Here we are using the name view type, so the second argument fetches the text data from the array, and the third argument, which is for the image, is kept 0. Here we are using the image view type, so the second argument fetches the data from the array, and the third argument fetches the image from the drawable folder. Accordingly, different rows have different and random view types. In the onCreate function, we have created an object of my adapter class, and passed the array list data in it, using the getData function. Then we set the layout of the Recyclerview as linear. There are several types such as linear, horizontal, staggered, etc. Then we set the item animator and item decoration attributes of the Recyclerview. And finally, we set the adapter object into our Recyclerview. Let's run the app. As you can see, the Recyclerview has been populated with the data that we had passed in it. The first two rows only have name view type, so they only have the text in them. But the third row has the image view type. So it has text as well as image in it. So that's it. That's how you can implement a Recyclerview view type in Java Android. Thanks for watching.